Back to what I was saying.
Hey everyone, welcome to my first ever slime restock video. I will be restocking my slime shop on Saturday, April 7th, 12 p.m. Pacific time. And most of the slimes that I will be showing you guys today are slimes I have never restocked before, so they're brand new. And all orders will get a free 2.5 ounce slime, borax, and no and small candies. So here are just some examples of extras you can receive in your order. The more slimes you purchase, the more extras you could get, such as instant snow powder, king-size candies, and just more fun extras. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you're new, and comment down below what you want to see next. So yeah, enjoy the video. So the first slime is Apple Jacks, and it's based off of the cereal, so it's scented like apple cinnamon. It has some yellow and green foam beads on the top, and it has a thick and glossy base with some brown glitters. So it's good for thwacking and bubble pops, and it will be available in 8 ounces and 4 ounce. Also, I would appreciate if you guys ignore that lid right there. I guess I didn't see it while I was filming this, so yeah, my bad. The next slime is Mint Choco Shake. It's mint chocolate scented, and the texture is thick, creamy, holdable, and glossy. It's a light mint color, and it has black glitters in it. It's really good for thwacking, bubble pops. It will be available in an 8 ounce and 4 ounces. Next up, we have Peach Perfect, which is, based off the movie Pitch Perfect, and it's lightly scented like peaches. It's a jelly slime with red foam beads, and you can't really see on camera, but it does have some small star iridescent glitters. And the texture is thick and stretchy, and this will only be available in 4 ounces. Lastly, we have Hawaiian Smoothie. It's Hawaiian drink scented, which is basically just tropical fruit smells. It's a semi-thick and glossy slime with pink, green, and yellow foam beads. It's perfect for bubble popping and will only be available in 4 ounces. So it looks like I wasn't paying attention again, so please ignore the lid.
Could be us.